Hello, Sir Christian. Kumusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir. Finally, nakalimutan ko. Testingin na natin sir yung unit na order nyo. The WE Glock 17 Gen 5 French Army Edition. Okay, so yan. Right. Ay, may mga oil pa. Brand new yan ha. Okay, so ito yung magazine. Nilagyan ko na ng bala. Okay, so tsaka gas. Ilan ba? 8 pieces. Okay? So always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle, okay, every time na nakawakan mo yung barrel, always keep your trigger finger out. Ganyan ang paghawak. Hindi siya pinapasok dyan. Okay? Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at a safe direction. Okay? So, ito. Test lang natin yung power niya. Okay? Okay? So, inserting the magazine. Okay? Okay, firing. 353.6. Okay naman yung blowback niya, malakas. Solid. As usual. Okay. 350.7. 347.5. And 338. Okay? So, yun. Normal FPS. Okay? So, ngayon, mag-check lang ako ng accuracy. Okay? Barilin lang natin yung target na 2.5 meters away. 2 inches diameter circle. Okay? So, ito. Kita. Center na center ng bilog. Center ulit. Grabe to, sobrang accurate. One hole. Kung ano yung tinira ko kanina, dun ulit napunta. Sa gitna. Ay, nako. Nagmadali. Umangat ng konti. Pero lahat, nadudun talaga sa loob ng 2 inches sa target. Okay, sobrang accurate. Ganda talaga. Kaya nga favorite ko yung Glock eh. Okay, so ito. Nag-open yung slide, removing the magazine. Wala nang bala. Okay? So, pwede gamitin sa competition to. Nagkataon. Ganda ng accuracy. Kahit piso, kaya ko tamaan. Okay? Hammer down. Okay? So, ito, Sir Christian. Okay na to. So, I'm going to pack it now with the gas, the BB, and the lube. Then, dalhin ko na siya sa courier tomorrow. Okay? So, ayun sir. Pasensya na. Nakalimutan. Okay? So, ayun sir. Thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.